Who
is this
Jimmy
Diresta?
Jimmy Diresta.
Is that the guy that spray paints his name on everything?
Hey, Scott Grove here from Imagine Grove, and I just spent the weekend with Jimmy Diresta. And if you don't know who he is, well, you're really like this one. It was an impromptu maker meetup. We spent the weekend casting hands. I'll post a link on that with a bunch of other YouTubers. Jimmy lives in upstate New York in the foothills of the Catskills on a beautiful 40-acre homestead with a bunch of chickens and dogs and cats. I was just attacked by that rooster there. Okay, I'm being stalked. Stay in his house, which is a 1790s farmhouse, 11 bedrooms. It's just fabulous. It's a lot of great stuff to look at, a lot of trinkets and history. When restoring some of the rooms, he selectively left wallpaper and some peeling paint on doors. Man, I just love the interior. So thanks, Jimmy, for inviting me up, and I hope you enjoy this interview.